The rise of an international pandemic.
News about the coronavirus.
Polarizing global politics.
The mismanagement and corruption.
Increasingly destructive natural disasters.
Bushfires in Australia are a warning of what may be to come around the world.
What does it all mean? What does the future hold? Join international speaker Cami Oetman on a journey for answers in Unlocking Bible Prophecies. In her travels around the world, she's come face to face with real-life struggles, but in the midst of them, she's found miracles of hope. Join Cami Oetman for Unlocking Bible Prophecies as she shares how Bible prophecy is being fulfilled faster than ever before.